Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another embagging. That means we have another review. So let's get to it and find out what is in the bag. Get this out of our way. Okay, we have two stamped cross stitch kits and these come from GBFKE, and if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll go right in here and in the description box below. We'll start with the first one on the top. We'll move this so it doesn't crinkle underneath me. It's a Joy Sunday kit, and it is 14 count, and it's 36 by 40. Oh dear. Well, we messed up on this, and it was $6.51. Yeah. Does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. How to start, how to finish on the back, as usual. Well, this is going to be a counted one. It's called Fairy Tale Wreath. And like I said, 36 by 40. Look at all those beautiful, beautiful colors. Aren't they awesome? I don't know if this was meant for Christmas or not, but it doesn't scream Christmas or anything. It just looks like hanging little doodads instead of Christmas type ornaments. Let's see what we got going on in here. Let me see if it has, nope, it only has one, yep, one set of numbers. It is 160 by 175. And product numbers are here as usual. Very nicely printed though. There's going to be some back stitching in it. But it just seems to be, you know, go around this, go around that type thing. So pretty straightforward. Let's see what we have. We have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, quarter stitch, and back stitch. And we have a total of 40 colors, it looks like. We have no 310 black. They're using 3799, which I believe is that pewter color, and B5200 for the white. Anything else here that I know of? No 823. We have 825. We have 995, which is close to 996, which is that beautiful turquoise color. Oh, it's right next to 996 right here. So I'll point those out when we get there. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's take a look at those colors then. And you will use the paper pattern. You'll use this part of the paper pattern to put the pattern down onto the cross stitch. Like I said, it is counted, so all these symbols will apply. That's why there's only one set of those symbols. It does come with 2 needles. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at all the purples. Kind of a yellowish green. Very pale though. And some reddish color. 347. Gorgeous. Let's see what we got on this side. There, right here is, if I can get a hold of them, 995 and 996 is right here. 995 is here. And there's that 3799. It's kind of got a silvery black. Does that make sense? That's why it looks more like pewter, but that's what they're going to use for outline on certain things. Beautiful, gorgeous colors. Some are bright and vivid, some are pale and pastel, but just a lovely, lovely array of colors. Oh, I got an extra leftover piece of thread. And the canvas is plain, so there's no markings on it. at all. This piece of canvas is serged all the way around, before I forget. It's like 41.5 by 37.5 centimeters. So hang on just a second. Rolling. I want to look at something on the thing. Usually, if it's counted, oh no, they didn't. I don't see anything like where they would show like a red line and say start here, but there's not one on here. Maybe perhaps in the middle, not real sure. I don't know. It'd be nice if they gave you gridded, you know, washable grid off, but gridded 14 count fabric, and then it would be so much easier for everybody. Maybe it's something to consider their Joy Sunday. But it's very pretty. I like it, but yeah, not real happy about the counted part, so not too sure. Moving along. Because I usually, you know me, I don't buy counted like that. I just, no. So I must have misread something. Let me get this next one out of its bag. All right, I am back. This is going to be an 11 count. Look at that dragon. He's purple. Purple. There's got to be 550 purple. You know that that. Yes, there is. Yes, but I just thought he was kind of cool looking. And a lot of different elements here. This is not a Yishu, or because it doesn't say Y here. But it does come on a paper pattern. Paper pattern this time will match the canvas. It is 233 stitches up and down by 168 across. It does have a very small set of instructions on how to start, how to finish, how to pick thread. We have 40 colors. I do not see any smudging or smearing. And it's kind of tiny. It's not horribly tiny, but if you had to look at it for a long period of time, I'd go blow it up, you know. It's 45 by 60, and this one was $17.38. So, yeah, but very nice, easy to read symbols. They're just small. So we'll see what the canvas looks like, and it's an 11 count. So we will look at that. Oops, I'm going to leave it on the outside because, you know, we're going to need it in a second. See what else is in here. We have a butterfly. I don't know that you can see that. But there's a butterfly with 5 needles, spool ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Now, before I open this, that's what I was going to do. Product number is 4982, 4982, and 4982. Very nice. Let me get the colors out of the bag. They are on thread cards. Yay! Hang on. All right, I am back. Look at how vivid and bright those colors are. We have pinks and various shades of yellow. We have orange, purple. There's jelly bean purple. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. We have 550 purple and beautiful like a steel blue. Look at that dark, deep rose. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now let me look at this. It's just 1 second. And let me tell you what colors are supposed to be in here. We have 310 black, 550 purple, No 823. We do have 939. No 3371. We have 3770, which is that butter color. And they have 3865 for the white. We have 3855. 3865 is going to be your off-white in this. But it is just vibrant and beautiful. It looks like it's already been stitched. It's like a cross stitch of a like embroidered piece. So very beautiful. Just, can you ever? So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You got pale colors, you got dark colors. Just absolutely stunning. And we're going to lose our thing. But just beautiful, beautiful colors. That is a wad of colors. We even have dark, dark green. Gorgeous. That pink. Oh, can you ever? Beautiful. Gorgeous. You have brights and darks. So, yep. Let me... What did I do with the canvas? I stacked everything up out of my way. So let's take a look at the canvas. It is one of the stiffer canvases, but this canvas crunches down very nicely. Oh my goodness. Okay. Is serged all the way around. The serging does not go into the numbers on the side, so that part is good. Just beautiful. But right through here is confetti. And it's got strings of confetti. But you do have some bigger areas. Let me flip this. Oh yeah. It's going to be beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Very well printed. Very easy to see symbols. But there are a lot of them. Oh my goodness. It will take a hot, hot, hot moment. Let me get my scissors out of the way and get my thing. Trying to get it to lay at least flat. Alright, it is 59.5 centimeters or 23.5 inches by 43, little over 43 centimeters or 17 inches. Actual size is almost 15 inches or 38 centimeters. And this way, it's a little over 21 inches or 53.5 centimeters. So it's a nice size, but it's gonna take a moment. Yikes. But it will be so pretty. I love all those purples and all the bright, bright greens and the pinks. You can have a little bit of orange. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Give you the whole picture there. Just beautiful colors. Nice canvas. This canvas isn't real heavy. It's just kind of stiff, but as you can see, it crunches down very easily, so it takes no time at all for it to be, you could handle it. And on these, when it's like this kind of material, I start at on the bias, so to speak. I'll start in the bottom right-hand corner or left-hand corner and roll it and crunch it down. Then I'll roll it the other direction 2 or 3 times. And that's about all it really takes. It just works out awesome. All right. Well, thank you, GBFKE, for sending me these 2 beautiful, gorgeous kits. I love all the colors. They're just so vibrant. So vibrant. Now, GBFKE has cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. I'm not sure if they have the new beaded cross stitch yet, but they do have embroidery. And let's see. Like I said, if there's any specials or if I have any discount codes, I will put them in the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.